Hello, in front of me I've got Linyuvo controller. In this video I'll show you how to activate turbo mode. In the beginning, make sure that your controller is turned on. Firstly, press A, B, X, Y, L1, L2, R1, R2, D-pad, left and right SL and SR button, and then press turbo key. So for example, press and hold B and press turbo. Same on the other controller. Turbo function is now enabled. Now, to enable auto turbo mode, press turbo and set turbo keys again for the second time. To disable turbo function, press and hold button you would like to enable turbo mode and press turbo again. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.